In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily uninstall or delete apps on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and the process actually is very basic, because all we have to do in order to delete any app is just long press at the apps icon, then select remove app, then delete app, and then delete again. After that, app icon will be deleted from your home screen, and also all apps data will also be deleted from your device. Keep in mind that also we can just delete app icon from the home screen without deleting the entire application. To do that, let's say I want to hide WhatsApp app icon from the home screen. In the same way, I can long press on it, tap at remove app, and then select remove from home screen. What that will do, that will delete app icon from the home screen. However, it doesn't delete the app itself. We can easily find WhatsApp app using search. Just search for WhatsApp, then you can tap at that icon to open up the app, and also by holding down and by dragging it, we can again place it at the home screen in any time. Keep in mind that not each app we are able to delete. We cannot remove some system applications like messages, settings, phone app, and so on. If we long press, let's say, on settings and tap at remove app, it will show us just the option to remove that app icon from the home screen. We can tap right here to hide it from the home screen. However, in any time we can find the app using search, as I shown you before with WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.